Racold Eterno Pro. This one I brought it in Amazon. This one is 15 liters. Delivery was quick, but the fixing the installation took some while. But they did perfect. For additional knobs and all, they charged me. Basic service installation is free of cost. And the usage wise, it's good. They have given this adjustment wall. So here one bucket, two bucket. So based on that, you can minimize your electricity bills. It's full of ABS plastic body. Comes with 7 years of internal warranty. Out of 5, I can rate 4 for this.